How to know the right career stream and the best suited place to pursue them? With information scattered and overwhelming, parents and students face significant challenges in deciding where to start. Start with Educrib. Educrib is a global network that connects learners, educators, institutions, and corporates worldwide. Educrib unifies the entire spectrum of learning and transforms it into a comprehensive career discovery solution. Whether you're looking to develop specific skills or acquire certifications for global career opportunities, Educrib simplifies the search process, making everything easily accessible to you. In the Educrib ecosystem, educators play a critical role as partners. Whether you're running a tuition, institute, daycare or coaching center, the moment you are on board, your services become available globally. Educrib provides you with a powerful dashboard that helps you manage your daily routines in the most effective way possible, regardless of whether you are an individual educator or a large institution. Through Educrib, the students across the globe will be connected to the educators quickly. Thus, you will be able to reach out to 5x more students efficiently. With Educrib's AI-based ERP backend, educators will be able to manage their clients with much greater efficiency, saving time and energy. Joining Educrib gives educators access to a vibrant community of like-minded professionals with whom they can collaborate and learn from. Whether you're looking to grow your business, expand your network, or explore new opportunities, Educrib is a platform for you. Educrib has grown its student base by 200%. The subscriber base projects an year-on-year growth of 20%. Today, Educrib has a presence in all key knowledge hubs in the country and is expanding rapidly in urban and semi-urban cities. Competitive subscription models, AI-enabled contextual advertising, ERP-based cloud-native dashboard, intuitive and immersive search. Build on best-of-the-breed tech stack. Educrib. Come, discover and learn.